Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with your work or school account, then open the Sharepoint site that holds the files. Once there, navigate directly to the document library you'll use and verify you have add or edit permissions. If you lack rights, request access from the site owner now. Make sure the library view and folder are correct so you don't upload to the wrong place. This avoids duplicate work and misfiled documents. You can add items by clicking Upload Then Files, or simply drag and drop from File Explorer into the library. Drag works for multiple files and preserves names. If you need an entire folder, choose Upload Folder or set up OneDrive Sync to copy folder trees reliably. As files transfer, Sharepoint may prompt for metadata like department or project. Complete those fields so documents are discoverable. Once done, confirm the files appear in the correct. After upload, make sure you check in any files that require it and review version history to confirm the current copy. If you need different access, modify item permissions or move files using the library's command bar. Once finished, open a sample file to verify integrity and links. If something goes wrong, try clearing browser cache, using a private window, or switch to OneDrive Sync to rootload. These steps fix most upload or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.